how I have made over $12,000 in the stock market in 17 days. What's up, everybody? If you are addicted to trading, then this video is for you. Don't skip this ad. I've been trading, it has been a few months now, and I realized that many people lose money in the stock market. So I'm launching a live trading session, which I'm gonna trade with you. When I place the trade, you place the trade. When I sell it at a specific point, then you sell it. Without discipline and education, nothing is guaranteed. I'm inviting you to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Share this video with everybody that you know and you don't know. Subscribe to my channel so you can receive the alert when the live trading session starts. Let's earn money together in the stock market. Many people lose money. I don't want you to be in those people. More than 95% of traders lose money in the stock market because they don't have discipline. They don't have education in the stock market. Subscribe to my channel and share this video with everybody. Let's earn money together.